I'm selling my home, but I don't know where I'm going to go, and I don't know how long it's going to take to find that place. I'm Cale Thomas with Elite Properties Direct, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about seller leasebacks. So it is a standard form that we have in our realtor forms that we can negotiate for a seller to remain in the house after the close of escrow to give that seller a few benefits. A, you're going to have cash in hand and still have a place to live for a little while you're trying to find a replacement home. And B, even if you find a replacement home while you're in escrow on the home that you are selling, you may need some transition time there. You may need to make repairs on the new house. You just might need a little bit of leeway when transferring from one home to the next. A seller leaseback is the proper way to do that, and we can negotiate all of this up front before buyer and seller even go under contract into escrow. So if you'd like more information about seller leasebacks and how they work, I would love to talk to you about that. Call or text me anytime. Thanks so much for checking out the video.